Hi. Let's learn about the Juris Doctor, JD, degree. The American law degree, called a Juris Doctor, is a 3-year professional degree. Until the latter half of the 20th century, the degree was called a Bachelor of Laws, LLB. However, due to the length of study required in the United States to attain a law degree, the name was changed to reflect its status as a professional degree. A JD degree confers recognition that the holder has a professional degree in law. Law school applicants must already have a bachelor's degree. It typically takes 3 years to complete the JD degree, after which the graduate must pass the bar exam to practice law. Each state and the District of Columbia has its own bar exam. Some schools offer a joint JD and MBA degree so that students can complete both degrees in less time than it would take to complete each separately. Other combined graduate degrees include public policy, medicine, and bioengineering. The first formal law degree granted in the country was a Bachelor of Law from the College of William and Mary in 1793. Harvard University changed the name of the degree to the Latin legum baccalaureus, known as the Bachelor of Laws, and led the 19th century movement for a scientific study of law. The Bachelor of Laws remains the standard degree in most of the Commonwealth of Nations. In order to get into law school, you must have an undergraduate degree, have passed the law school admission test, request your official transcripts from your undergraduate institutions, obtain letters of recommendation, and write a personal statement. While many graduate programs require the completion of certain prerequisite courses, there are no such requirements for prospective law students. However, you must have earned, or be on track to earn, an undergraduate degree from an accredited institution. Your undergraduate grade point average, GPA, is a key indicator law schools consider when evaluating applicants. Job prospects for lawyers fell sharply following the 2008 financial market collapse, and law school enrollment dropped by 24% from 2010 to 2013. With tuition continuing to rise, some schools have looked at shortening the program. Drexel, Rutgers, Columbia, and Fordham are among the schools that offer a 2-year JD option or allow students to start their first year of law school after completing the 3rd year of college. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, the employment outlook for lawyers is promising with a projected 8% growth from 2022 to 2032. This growth rate exceeds the average for all occupations. This growth is expected to result in approximately 39,100 job openings annually during this decade. A Juris Doctor graduate performs a wide range of legal tasks and responsibilities which can vary depending on their specialization and practice area. Here are some common things that a JD holder may do. A JD degree, the American law degree, is a 3-year professional degree. A JD is the minimum educational level for lawyers. The JD is considered a professional doctorate. To become a lawyer, you'll need to earn a Juris Doctor degree. Once you graduate, you are entitled to take the bar exam and begin the practice of law. Obtaining a JD degree alone does not permit you to practice law. You must also pass the bar exam. Every state, and the District of Columbia, has its own bar exam. While the JD is the only degree necessary to become a professor of law or to obtain a license to practice law, it is not a research degree. However, there are 2 types of research degrees available to individuals who are interested in studying law. These are the Master of Laws degree, which typically requires a JD as a prerequisite before pursuing study, and the Doctor of Juridical Science, S.J.D/J.S.D, degree, which typically requires a Master of Laws as a prerequisite. It is not customary in the U.S. to address individuals that hold a JD as a doctor. In the late 1960s, the Canons of Professional Ethics issued a full ethics opinion regarding whether lawyers could ethically use the title doctor. The organization came down against this usage, with some exceptions. It is permissible for lawyers to use the title doctor when dealing with countries where the use of doctor by lawyers is standard practice. In addition, lawyers are allowed the use of the title in academia as long as the school of graduation considers the JD degree a doctorate degree. A traditional, full-time JD program lasts 3 years. There are some accelerated programs that allow individuals to complete their degrees in just 2 years or their undergraduate and JD degrees in a total of 6 years. Part-time JD programs usually take 4 years to finish. Here are 4 key takeaways. 1. The American law degree, called a Juris Doctor, JD, is a 3-year professional degree. 2. Law school applicants must already have a bachelor's degree. 3. It typically takes 3 years to complete the JD degree, after which the graduate must pass the bar exam to practice law. 4. Drexel, Rutgers, Columbia, and Fordham are among the schools that offer a 2-year JD degree option. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.